What? Because you're police?
Yes, dili mabalaka because nagtawag namin sa police, kinawait na lang namo ang call sa police because dili ni siya pwede. And I just heard that we were trying to get a permit for 1, 2, 3 but then there is a Filipino nga bagag na wong, datawag sa police, ginadautan mi because what they said to the police, magugulo kami.
Sige, sana.
Ayaw mag-names, han?
Oo.
Crap names, please.
Maski, anak, kumabot kwarto.
Oh, lagi.
Dili, nga wala na. Pilipino, nagpicture ganina. Hindi. Meron kasi kaming permit at nakukuha. Ganito kasi guys, magkalma na ako kasi Aldo, nagalit na siya. Na, ano na yung, ako kay kalma man talaga ako magsalita. Normal man talaga ako, ganyan man talaga yan. So, we are trying to get a permit for May 1, 2, and 3. Because we have an event called an exhibit of all the things that our former president has done to communicate to the international community paano nyo ba maintindihan ang nangyari sa Pilipinas. So hindi ako, ano pa to, normal pa to na facing guys. So, ganoon. Well, apparently, it came to our attention na may kababayan tayo na magaling na tumawag doon sa police or sa Kamente kasi manggulo daw sa exhibit. Paano magulo? Mag-exhibit na nga. Tapos magulo palang intention. Exhibit lang yun para ang tao makakita, makabasa, makaganito, maintindihan nila ang nangyari sa Pilipinas. Bakit naman magkagulo? Oh, this is what you want. I call on the people who are actually supposed to represent the sentiments and the welfare of their fellow Filipinos. This is what you want the international community to see. Na ang mga kababayan nating very jealous and very anxious, very utak talangka, mag ano-ano na mga salita doon na ang ibang Pilipino na ang gusto lang naman namin is to show our unwavering love and support to a former president who, by the way, brought change to the Philippines. Oh. Oo. And you want this to remain? And you think na mo surrender me, ana lang, ana lang kadali sa inyo na mo surrender me? Na ang mga tao actually spent the resources, time, and effort to come here?
Bago ano nila, tinanggal na si Villar.
Sa kanila din, ma'am. And you want that to happen to us? This is what you want to happen? You are trying to bar us from organizing events because nasuya ka, nagalit ka. What kind of